So, if you got a PlayStation Portal, but you have multiple PlayStation 5 and you want to change the console you're connecting to. So, let's power it off. When you press the PS button, as you can see now, it will connect to PS5 357. And now it's ready to play. But if I want to connect on another PlayStation, it's a bit stupid, but the only way to do that is to go in the settings over here and then go down to settings and sign out. Yes, you need to sign out. So wait for this, then press the PS button from here and you will have this QR code right there. Eventually. Now, to get into that console here on the PS app on your phone, press the setting gear over here and go to scan QR code. Scan it. Oops. Here. Scan it. And approve this connection. This will connect your account to the PlayStation Portal. You can, from here, confirm and continue, pair a PS5, then select the PlayStation that you want to connect to. So you can choose from any of those. So let's reconnect to this one, hit continue, and just wait for the connection. Now it is already connected. So yeah, that's the only way. I hope this was helpful.